Welcome to Earth Science. What is Earth Science?
Hello, I am Miss Pyro and I am going to be your Earth Science teacher this year. So we have a lot to learn this year. So in Earth Science, we start with the big universe and we learn all about that. Then we move into our galaxy, then our solar system, and then we finally make it to Earth and we learn about the atmosphere, we learn about the water cycle, we learn about rocks and minerals, we learn about plate tectonics. There is so much for us to learn this year. And then once we learn all of that, we finish up our year by talking about conservation and how we can use all of this new knowledge to help us protect our planet and do the best we can with what we have.
These are some pictures of my family. This is my husband, Michael. I have 5 kids. My oldest is 25. Her name is Mackenzie. And then I have John, who's 22. And then Sophie, who is 16. Ethan, who is 14. And then my youngest child is named Harrison, and he is 7. He is starting 2nd grade this year. As a family, we like to go hiking, we like traveling, and I also enjoy doing things around my house. So in this picture, you'll see my office that I just finished, and so that is where I will be teaching you from each day that we meet. Okay, so what are my expectations? So number 1 is to be on time to class. We only have 50 minutes together and I want to make the most of that we can. Number 2 is to get your work turned in on time. That shows responsibility, which is a step into being a good leader, which we will talk a lot about leadership this year at Autry Middle School. The next thing that I expect is that you come to class prepared, have all your materials ready that we will need for the day. You'll know about that ahead of time. The 4th expectation is that you follow all of our virtual rules and expectations, and just remember that you will be recorded, everything you do on screen or things that you type, so make sure you're doing your best there. And the biggest expectation is that as soon as you run across a problem, I want you to contact me. I know that there are going to be a lot of questions, maybe some things that don't work right, but please contact me as soon as you come across something like that. And in the beginning, please don't wait until right up to the deadline to try to get your work done, because like I said, sometimes things don't work and you might need that extra time. All right, we will get through this and we're going to make it as fun as we can. How do I go about getting help? I will have office hours twice a week. Those will be on Tuesday and Friday from 9:30 to 10:25, and that will be a time where we can just chat. You can call me or email me and I'll be able to help you then. We will also be having some small groups in the mornings that will be outside of class, and you might meet with me once every other week, you might meet with me once a week, you might meet with me twice a week. It just depends on our needs. And if you need to reach me, the best way to get me is through email, or you can call my cell phone, and that is 678-310-6507. And I cannot wait to meet you. We are going to have such a great year.